People's Park ng Davao. Ayan, nakikita niyo po ang Statue of Eagle. Napakaganda. Ayan. People's Park. Dahil pinakita ko na po sa inyo ang People's Park, mag-i-exit na po ako dito. People's Park of Davao. Kadayawan Festival. Napakaganda pong mga statue dito sa People's Park. Ayan, nakikita nyo po, did you see the people are holding up above the head full basket of fruits because they are hardworking and they're taking care of vegetable and more fruits here. Napakaganda pong statue ng People's Park. And meron pa po doon sa unahan. Ayan. People are holding above the head full of basket fruits. You can see here there's a lot of fruits like most especially the durian, the fried of Davao. Ayan, the people are hardworking. There is mangosteen, lanzonis, papaya, and pineapple. Ayan, very beautiful.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, welcome to my vlog, sir. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Shout out!
Shout out from Japan. Hello.
People are smiling. Hello, sir. Welcome to my vlog. Here the people parks, they are good people. They smiling. Hello, I'm here today in People's Park in Davao City. Pasok po ako doon sa loob.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello po. Saan po kayo punta, sir? Ano po ginagawa niyo? Nahiya po siya. People are smiling.
Ay, nakita ko sa vlog.
Okay lang po makita kayo sa vlog. Ay, ano po ginagawa niyo dito? Nagpa-practice? Practice? Ang ganda naman po ng kasuotan ninyo. Ano yan? Ay, nakabarong Tagalog. Si sir. Ayan.
Hi, arigato! Hi! Say hi!
Hi din. Hi din.
Bakit po?
Nandito po ako. Taga Coronadal po ako. Nagdayo lang para mag-vlog here.
Okay, let's go.
Salamat. Thank you. Here. A lot of people are smiling the way I talk to them. Ayan. So good. Ayan. They asked me about my name of my YouTube channel because they want to subscribe my channel. People's Park here. Ayan. Napakagandang park. Ayan. It symbols of durian fruit because durian fruit is the pride of Davao City. Ayan. Here. Napakaganda pong People's Park in Davao City. It's here. Ayan. It symbolizes very hardworking people living in this Davao City. A man with Carabao and women are depict the flowers. They're holding flowers and there's a lot of animals taking care of Davao City. Some of people here in Davao are working in farming. Ayan. And there's a lot of flowers here in Davao City. Ay, napakaganda po plants here. Ayan. Papasyal ko po kayo dito sa People's Park na napakaganda in Davao City. Ayan, mag-i-exit na po ako dito dahil pupunta po ako doon sa labas. Papasyal-pasyal pa po doon sa labas.